The Victorinox 8-inch Rosewood chef's knife has quickly earned its place as a standout option in the world of kitchen knives, combining exceptional performance with an affordable price tag. At $119 on Amazon, this knife is an excellent choice for anyone from home cooks to professionals looking for a reliable all-around tool in the kitchen. The first thing that stands out about the Victorinox 8-inch Rosewood chef's knife is its sharpness. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade is crafted to maintain a razor-sharp edge, allowing it to slice through anything from delicate herbs to tough cuts of meat with ease. Multiple expert reviews praise its performance in the kitchen, with one noting how it glided through everything so easily. This sharpness is consistent over time, with the knife holding its edge for longer than many other models in a similar price range. It's no wonder that it has earned a second-time Kitchen Gear award. Despite its impressive cutting abilities, the knife is surprisingly lightweight. This is a significant advantage for long prep sessions, where weight can otherwise lead to hand fatigue. The ergonomically designed Rosewood handle adds to the comfort, ensuring a secure and pleasant grip. This balance between comfort and functionality is a key reason why so many users, including professionals, find it so easy to use. On the downside, while the knife is well regarded for its sharpness, some users have noted that it can require occasional honing to maintain its peak performance, especially with heavy use. Additionally, while the Rosewood handle is attractive, it can be susceptible to moisture and heat, so it's important to care for it properly to ensure its longevity. All things considered, the Victorinox 8-inch Rosewood chef's knife offers outstanding value for its price. It combines sharpness, lightweight handling, and a comfortable grip, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performing kitchen tool without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly but high-quality chef's knife, this one should definitely be on your radar.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.